Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish oil at home. We'll go through the entire process, from selecting your fish to storing the finished product. You'll learn about the simple tools you need and the easy steps involved. Making your own fish oil can be a rewarding experience, providing a fresh, natural supplement right from your kitchen. Let's get started on this straightforward guide to creating your own beneficial fish oil. First, let's gather our essential supplies. For the best results, select fresh, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. About 1 pound is a good starting amount. You'll also need a large, heavy-bottomed pot, a fine mesh strainer, and some clean glass jars with tight-fitting lids for storage. A reliable heat source and a sturdy spoon are also crucial for the extraction process. Now for the extraction. Begin by cutting your fish into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1-inch cubes. Place these pieces into your pot and add about 1/4 cup of water. Gently simmer the mixture over low heat for 30 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally. The oil will slowly render out. Once cooked, carefully strain the liquid through your fine mesh strainer into a clean bowl, separating the oil from the fish solids. After straining, let your freshly extracted fish oil cool completely to room temperature. Once cooled, carefully pour it into clean, airtight glass jars. Store these jars in the refrigerator, where the oil can remain fresh for up to 2 weeks. You can use your homemade fish oil in various culinary applications or take it as a natural dietary supplement, enjoying its many health benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.